Good morning, guys. Today I will be sharing with you my morning routine. I'm tired. I'm not ready for this day. I want this day to be a productive day. I have class today and I have an interview today for a job. So keep your fingers crossed for me. But let's go get ready.
Regardless of what day it is, the first thing I do is feed my cat. If I don't feed her, I cannot continue to sleep. She will wake me up. My cat is obsessed with greens, spinach, kale, all that good stuff. She loves it. So first things first, before washing my face, I go ahead and I wash my hands. I don't like to touch my face if my hands are dirty. So after washing my face, I take the warm water and press it onto my skin to kind of help open up my pores. And I proceed with my face wash routine from there. So to wash my face, I use this black soap I got from the Asian store. I actually use this all over my body as well. If you are trying to get rid of any dark spots, I would definitely recommend trying out this soap. So after lathering my skin, I go in with this brush. I use this brush every day, and it's perfect because the bristles are soft but also firm enough for the perfect daily exfoliation. I know it looks like I'm going ham on my face, but I'm actually not. Remember, the bristles are soft, so I'm not harming my face. When I scrub, I get everywhere, under my neck, under my chin, the whole 9 yards. I don't miss any inch of my face. So after rinsing my face, I do not towel dry. I just let the water seep into my pores, and I move on to brushing my teeth. I remember in junior high, one of my teachers told me, for your teeth to be really clean, you have to brush them for 2 minutes. And ever since then, I've been brushing my teeth for 2 minutes every single day. I brush my teeth, every single part of my mouth. I try hard to brush, and then I floss. Scrubbing the tongue helps with bad breath. So when I scrub, y'all, I go a little overboard. I scrub until there's pretty much no white stuff on my tongue. So first thing I do when I get out the shower is apply Vaseline on my lips. When I get out of the shower, I don't dry my skin with a towel. I just let the water dry on my skin. It just helps with extra moisturizing. And next I go in with my favorite toner, which is a witch hazel and rose water mix. So after spritzing my face with the toner, I go in and I moisturize my body. My moisturizer is usually a butter and an oil. Today I use cocoa butter and sweet almond oil. And after moisturizing my body, I go in with my hydration moist and I just spritz all over my face. I use a lot of this stuff. I actually go overboard now that I'm looking at it, but I love it. After that, I go in with my cocoa butter and I moisturize my face, and y'all, that is pretty much all I do. Another part of my routine is I use a bath glove. It helps exfoliate all of my skin. It really helps smooth my skin, so I recommend you guys use that. But guys, yeah, that is it for today. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, I will see you on the flip side.